Hi there! In this video, we will explain what are custom features in the SimplyBook.me appointment scheduling system. Each SimplyBook.me account comes with basic features and custom features. These are essentially add-ons that expand the functionality of your booking page. You will be able to activate a specific amount of custom features depending on the subscription plan you're using. For example, the premium plan does not have a custom feature limit, while the free plan only allows enabling one custom feature at a time. Luckily, new users can enjoy a 14-day trial to test out our various features and determine which ones will accommodate their requirements. Here are some examples of what custom features can be used for in our system. You can accept payment through a range of payment processors, use additional fields to collect necessary information from your clients, synchronize bookings and busy times with an external Google or Outlook calendar to avoid scheduling conflicts, offer memberships, packages, discount coupons, and gift cards to increase sales, add custom pages to your booking website. Our entire team is constantly working on improving and expanding the list of features we offer, so make sure to check back for updates. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.